So in this video I want to share not only some of the pictures that I've taken of different dogs on my cameras as well as my iPhones in the past. I also want to dedicate this video to Breizh, who Breizh became part of our family a little bit over 7 years ago, and he's a pure breed English pointer who I gave to my son as I was going through a divorce. And Breizh was with him for almost a whole 7 years. However, he passed away 3 weeks ago, and I wanted to create this short video with some pictures and as well as some videos from Breizh. If you watch this video all the way to the end, you'll see some videos of Breizh in action. And also hope you enjoyed the rest of the video with other pictures taken with various DSLR cameras as well as point and shoot cameras and iPhones. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can catch my next video, and I'll see you guys next time.
to see.